Okay, so yeah or no Google, and that's the largest and the biggest, the best online library. Okay, so it's very easy to use, and Google is very very good and has wide range of textbooks, books, sites, so many things. Whatever you need to know, just Google it. So now, if you have been dreaming of working with Google, here is how to go by it and find a job on Google. So just that click into your Chrome and search for careers.google.com. Alright, so once you get to this interface, this page, then you can then click on the role you want and where you want it. Okay, so there are so many benefits, and in fact they have jobs for students as well. Okay, you can either work in cloud engineering, executive leadership, engineering leaders, data collection, data center roles, staff management, or software engineer, consumer hardware, and all that. So it depends on where your interests lie. So that is how those are um, the divisions they have: sales and support, engineering and tech. So if you are very techy or you have knowledge of tech, then you go for engineering and tech. But if you're just someone that has knowledge in marketing, then go for sales and support. Then for people probably human resources, then go to this same way. So all right, now let me just do an example. Let's go for the sake of those that have data analyst knowledge, let's go to data center roles. Okay, so data center control engineer software, 8 years experience, 5 years experience, wow, 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 6 years experience. So which one has not much experience? Okay, this is crisis resilience regional manager, compliance, security and risk. So if you have knowledge in corporate security management, crisis resilience training, then you can do this. In office, actually, Dublin, Ireland. Okay, so these are the roles that are available. Electrical engineering, something like that. So when you come here, you just click on the particular role that suits you or that interests you, and you go for it. Okay, I don't think I like something like that. Let me look for sales then. Okay, or let's see location. I want remote. Is there a remote job? I love remote jobs like work from home. Oh, Google doesn't have remote. Or probably I'm not searching properly. Okay, so okay, let's look at something else. The skills and the qualification or the years of experience, job types. Yes. Um, okay. Show all remote eligible jobs. Okay, so these are the ones that are remote eligible: cloud security solution consultant, staff software engineer, accessibility, headcount planning, 2 years experience in full cycle recruiting, that's recruiter people operations. So you can apply to this if you have human resources knowledge. Then program manager, accommodations, Okay, then this does not have require experience. It's just equivalent practical experience and bachelor's degree. Android partner enablement manager, experience managing client relationships, support consulting, and ability to write, speak English and Spanish fluently. Okay, so also have this requires 2 years experience. All right, so I think I'll have to go with that Android partner because others you have to have experience before you apply. So let's go for the Android partner enablement. So this is one I'll go for because it does not require um much is remote eligible, and I work at Google and doesn't require it to make me the person who applies work in Google and is remote eligible, and I don't have much experience in tech, so this is what I would likely go for. So if you are the type that don't have much experience in tech, then this is what likely go for. I minimum qualification, bachelor's degree, but you know, you can learn Spanish fast if you have interest, or you can even Google it and then learn Spanish. So about the job, Google's line of products and services to the client never stops growing. So you are just to help Google shape the future of in-car digital experiences. And Android Auto seeks to enable a safe and seamless connected experience for every driver by thoughtfully integrating the digital world into the in-car environment. So, wow, it's going to be very interesting to work on this. Work in this role. Android is becoming the automotive platform of choice for the in-vehicle infotainment, with car makers across the industry building their future in-car experience on Android. So you play a crucial role, a critical role in enabling that these car makers by ensuring their sales and customer service teams are well prepared to support the product. So you will also accomplish this by developing strong relationships with executive level partner stakeholders and delivering product training, managing product escalations, providing regular consultation, monitoring top customer issues. Your responsibilities would include cultivate robust relationships with sales and support and leads across strategic Android carriers and retailers. Share initiatives that improve partners' knowledge and perception of Android, leading to increased business and better customer support. So you measure the impact of enablement initiatives and adjust strategies. Okay, let me click on apply. You can submit up to 3 applications every 30 days. So here I don't want to. So here you have your resume, select the file, you upload it, add your legal name. Your legal name is the name that appears on your driver's license and your passport. Add your address and all that. Add another phone number, add your university program, another degree. You understand? So yes. Your cover notes, preferable and preferred locations, and add another job. Okay. So that's it. Once you are done, click on next, then answer all the questions that will be passed to you. After that, if I click on next now, it will not go to the next page because I've not answered the required field, which are the asterisk fields. So now after that, after you get to the final page, click on submit application. Okay, so Google is an equal opportunity employer, so you need not fear if you'll be selected based on your race or that. Google doesn't have any form of discrimination against people. So you have be rest assured that once you are good for the job, you get the job. Okay, so thank you for staying with me to the end of this video. I'm so grateful to have you. And please click on subscribe button and so that you can get to know more of my videos, and please tell your friends to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the notification by clicking on the bell button below, and also like this video so the algorithm agrees with you that you like it. And also please share this video. Please, you never can tell somebody that might be in your team or network and really need to see this video. All right, so thank you so much. I'll be so glad to see you in my next video. Please watch my next video and stay tuned for it. Okay, have a beautiful day ahead. Stay blessed. Bye.